If you want to turn off two-factor authentication on your Robinhood account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is smooth and secure. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, navigate to the Settings menu by selecting the gear icon. Step 3. Access Security Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option. Tap on it to access your security settings, where you can manage two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may receive a confirmation message. Review the changes to ensure that two-factor authentication is indeed turned off, and then exit the settings. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off two-factor authentication on your Robinhood account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and monitoring your account activity.